Hey guys, FastestPastor here. I am at Kelly Moss Road and Race. You can see behind me that we have the car being worked on. Hey guys, FastestPastor here. I am at Kelly Moss Road and Race. You can see behind me that we have the car being worked on today. In between doing some stuff for work, I was able to go up and down the mountain. Just wanted to verify what the difference was between the simulator and the hill. That was awesome. Also, just a shout out to Porsche of Colorado Springs. Ted there was amazing to me, and they really helped me out. Also got to see their simulator, so that was pretty cool. But here at Kelly Moss today, it's Friday late afternoon, and just looking at the car, they've been doing a ton of work. So I stopped by here on my way back earlier in the week and got to see the car, and it was empty shell. And so you'll see behind me that's not the case anymore. See, they've been working hard on it and working long on it. So the cool thing is they're making great headway. We have Kevin here from KSV. He's sorting out the electrical for us, getting the looming together. Jameson's been working around the clock. Just Andy and the whole group here at Kelly Moss have just been incredible. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly just kind of show you a quick walk around. They've got the engine back up in. It'll come out yet one more time, I believe, before they start finalizing. But we're making good headway, and it sounds like they'll be making smoke by Monday. So the car's come along really good. Super excited about that. Yeah, so let me show you around the car here. And you guys can see behind me there's quite a bit being done. And so I'm super excited about that. It's been busy, starting to get some black on it as well. And so we're making headway. We're definitely making headway. But I'm going to flip the camera around for you guys so you can see a little bit, and we'll talk. So as you guys can see, the car is being put together, and I'm just going to kind of give you a basic view of it. What I really love is the fact that the cockpit is coming together. We're getting the panels in there and everything else. See my new steering wheel and carbon fiber and the paddles. So I'm super excited about it. Super excited about the way it's coming. But you want to talk about wiring, there's a lot of it. And so we're just getting it done, going after it. They're just doing a great job here at Kelly Moss. And then I'm just going to bring you around and show you the back engine really quick. As you guys can see, things are getting put together very well on its way. And then we get to see the shot here of what things look like. So definitely stay tuned. More updates to come. I'm going to flip the camera back around here. And so as you guys can see, there's quite a bit of progress been done. So again, just a great partner here at Kelly Moss Road and Race. So let me tell you about the car. So we have named the car. Mary, my wife, helped me name the car. We were looking for a name that meant something, and we wanted something with purpose. And I typically like to name the cars females' names. And so its name is Bernice. And so it means victory, to have victory over. So we thought that was a really good name for the car. And we're just hoping, obviously, goal number one is to make it all the way up the hill. That's goal number one. Goal number two is try to break the 11-minute mark. And goal number three is to have the most fun that we can possibly. And I think that's going to be easy to accomplish when you get to fulfill a goal that you had since you were 8 years old. So super excited about this. Please stay tuned, subscribe and like to our YouTube channels, and we will keep you posted. You're going to see a lot more videos getting posted. So God bless you guys. Love you guys. Have a great day.